I'm here to help you replace 3 common habits that hold you back. First up, stop rushing into the day. Instead, start your morning with meditation on the Word. Next, ditch impulsive snacking and spending. Choose thoughtful nourishment and savings instead. Finally, let go of living in reaction. Embrace a life of rhythm, routine, and reflection. You see, healthy habits build healthy wealth, not just in your bank account, but in your body, relationships, energy, and purpose. So start today, eat well, live well, give well.